Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Compatible for cleaning block, Sig Sauer and any other 9mm, .38, .380 and .357 caliber pistols and handguns. Contains 9mm brass brush to safely and easily scrub the bore without causing damage like a steel brush. Includes nylon bore brush and bore mop for rapid handgun bore maintenance and lubrication. Comes with integrated patch dispenser and 9mm gun cleaning patches that are ultra absorbent and fit the included pistol jags and slotted tip. Storage case is compact. Keeps components organized for transport and conveniently stores brushes, jags, picks, cleaning rod, bore mop, and cleaning patches. Complete Prime 9 gun cleaning kit is all you need for cleaning and maintaining handguns chambered in 9mm, .357, .380 and .38 caliber. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. 5 assorted bore brushes are included. Lockable gun case, 1 foam gun pad, 1 multi-section cleaning rod with folding handle, 1 lint-free gun cloth. Comprehensive cleaning kit with everything you need to clean your gun at home or in the field. Contains Hoppe's Elite Gun Cleaner and Hoppe's Elite Gun Oil with T3 in convenient single-use. Pillow packs. Show more, show more, show more. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Professional grade gun cleaning kit. Stored in a toolbox for portability, storage, and comes with high-grade components. Standard 3-piece design brass cleaning rods in 4mm and 6mm diameters. Muzzle guards for 4mm and 6mm. Shotgun bronze bore brushes and cotton swabs are all standard 5/16 27 thread for 12, 20, and .410 bores, gauges. Rifle and pistol bronze brushes for .17, .22, .243, .270, .30, .35, .338, .375, .40, .44, .45, .50, and .54 calories. Rifle and pistol cotton swabs are all standard 8 to 32 thread for .357, 9mm, .30, and .270 calories. Rifle and pistol brass jags for .50, .45, .44, .375, .35, .338, .30, .270, .25, .243, 6mm, .22, and .17 calories. Shotgun. rifle, and pistol brass slotted tips for 0.40, 0.30, and 0.22 calories. Show more. The number 1 on the list is. This product comes with premium quality and affordable price. New 2PACK. A